this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your skinny jeans into a straight cut pair of jeans. I had this pair of jeans for quite a while, but I haven't worn them in 2 years simply because they were too skinny and my legs did not feel comfortable. Now, lucky for us, there is a very simple and easy alteration that you can do even if you have very limited sewing experience. This tutorial is created in partnership with Brother, and the sewing machine you'll see in today's video is Brother Stellaire 2 as well as Brother Airflow 3000 overlocker. Now let's begin our tutorial. First, put the jeans on and mark where you want the jeans to start widening. In my case, I marked at the widest hip point. Also, while wearing the jeans, measure the total circumference of the bottom that you want in the finished look. In my case, I want the bottom to be 38 centimeters. Now it's time to mark and cut the jeans cutout. Using a suitable marking tool, in this case I'm using a disappearing marker, draw an arch, the top point being the line you marked previously. Using a long ruler, draw straight lines to the bottom of the jeans, each line being about 1.5 centimeters from the jeans side seam. This is how the drawn shape looks. Now go ahead and cut out the shape, leaving about 1 centimeter of seam allowance on the line inside. Using this cutout as a template, cut out the same shape at the other leg of the jeans. Make sure that the shape starts at the same point on both sides. Now we're going to create the template for the fabric insert. For this, first measure the total bottom width minus 1 centimeter on each side for seam allowance. Calculate how wide the fabric insert has to be to reach your desired fabric bottom circumference. In my case, I want the hem to be 38 centimeters, so minus 19 centimeters of the jeans hem. I get that I need to cut 19 centimeter width fabric insert. On a small piece of paper, draw the same arch you drew on your jeans. Make a few cut-ins, leaving a few millimeters at the top so that the shape does not fall apart. Take a bigger piece of paper and place the shape at the top. Now spread the shape to add volume. This will give us the extra width at the side that we need. Using the jeans cutout, measure the length of the needed fabric insert. At the bottom, draw a straight line. Divide the arch in half and at the bottom, equally position total fabric insert width on both sides. Connect with straight lines with the top and smoothen the lines. And this is it, we have finished the template for the fabric insert. Now, using this template, cut out the fabric insert, adding 1 centimeter seam allowance all around. Cut out 2 pieces of the fabric insert, one for each leg. Now, in this particular alteration, I'm going to use another pair of jeans that I have to create the fabric insert. But if you want, you can use a matching color fabric to your jeans. However, I do recommend matching the fabric weight and stretchiness. Now let's continue with the tutorial. Pin the fabric insert right sides together with the jeans, nicely matching the hem and the top center line. Then base stitch around the detail so that it's easier to sew. This is how the insert looks base stitched to place. Now let's prepare machine for sewing. On your sewing machine, select the straight stitch. I'm going to use jeans needle, which helps to sew thick, strong fabrics easier and reduces risk of needle breakage or skipped stitches. I'm also going to use polyester all-purpose thread to create a strong, durable seam. Now that the machine is ready, it's time to sew the fabric insert. Start sewing at the hem bottom. Here we have lots of layers and fabric bulk, so when you position the fabric under the presser foot will not be parallel to the metal plate. To solve this, press the front of the presser foot down and push in the side button if your sewing machine has it. This will even out the presser foot and the machine will easily sew through the bulk. Once sewn past the bulk, the button releases into normal position. Continue sewing all around the insert and pay extra attention at the top since we have an arch there, which will be a bit more tricky to sew. You may want to sew that part extra slow and use an auto presser foot lift to easier adjust the fabric. After the insert is sewn, finish raw seam allowance edges using your preferred way. In my case, I'm going to use a serger and I'm going to sew close to the insert seam to keep seam allowance to the minimum. To finish the serger seam, I'm going to leave long thread tails and bring them back into the seam using big dowel needle to create a nice and secure seam finish. Press the seam, pushing seam allowance towards the insert, and this is it. You have created a straight cut jeans from your old pair of skinny jeans. So as you can see, this is a very quick alteration that will turn your skinny jeans into a straight cut pair of jeans. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye!